initiative co-founded by Dr. Conrad Miller and Stacey Ann Subani. It's called Healing in Harmony. They're here to tell us about their volunteer work, which is looking to uplift the spirits of persons in care facilities. I love this idea. I love this initiative.
Thank you.
Welcome to you both. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Stacey, how
having
did it
us.
start? You're 6 months old. How did you decide to start this initiative?
Conrad and I are both passionate about music, and we do jam sessions occasionally.
Wait. So how did you figure? So you're at PIOJ.
Yes.
Are you a statistician?
No, I'm a librarian
You're
there.
a librarian. You're an engineer.
Yes.
What is happening here?
Well, for me, engineering is my profession, but music is my love.
Oh.
So really, Healing in Harmony was an opportunity for me to actually channel that passion into something that benefits others.
And so where do you guys usually jam session?
We are both from Portmore, and we do live performances we're both Toastmasters.
Oh.
So we did performances for our clubs.
Okay.
So that's the common ground.
Gotcha. Okay. So you came together and you said, we both love music. We know what it does for us. How did the idea of going into the care facilities now come about?
Well, we were having a jam session one day, and the discussion came up. I don't remember what the conversation was like, but the discussion came up. Why not share this passion with persons who do not usually have the opportunity to hear live music? And what really drove it home was we have a friend, and her neighbor, unfortunately, she took her life. She's a retired person, and that was what really made us make the decision to focus on the Golden Age homes initially.
Yes. And what happens is that a number of these elderly persons in the homes, they feel isolated.
Very lonely.
They feel
They're lonely.
forgotten. And actually, when we visited one of the homes, we were told that there are persons who actually bring the elderly there, pay 1 month,
Leave them.
Leave them there.
and
They don't
feel
return.
forgotten. So when we go there, that's the type of impact that we're seeing. We're there, we get the smiles, we get them to dance and just forget for some time.
You're doing God's work. Is
We
really
are.
the truth. So you go into Golden Age homes in particular, but you don't go into individual homes. For example, if you had found out that this lady who was having a challenge
Right.
of being lonely, is that something you would?
It is something we would consider. There is this quote by Mother Teresa that I really love. I alone can't change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. So we know that we may not be able to touch every single individual's lives, but at the end of the day, if we can touch one life, one person, and have a positive impact on that person through the universal language of music and human connection, then that is what we consider as beauty and
Well,
love.
there's two of you. A whole heap of homes. So how many people are on the team, and how do you find volunteers?
Well, right now we have about 6 volunteers. So persons have actually been reaching out as we're, right? And we're looking for more because we're going to go to different care facilities. We've contacted the blind community, anybody who needs that type of attention. And we're looking for musicians. So we want to be a hub. So we want musicians to come to
And
us.
singers.
And it's not just musicians. I don't know about your singing talent, Simone.
Hey, I'm not bad.
We're ready for you, Simone. But you can imagine we walk into a care facility with Simone Clark. You don't even have to sing. Just clap, talk to the elderly, tell them to dance.
And that same energy that you and Neville bring in this space, if you bring that in that space.
We're taking Neville as an elderly. They
I saw
can
Neville
relate.
last week with what? Christmas giveaways. He's on the road. I said, well, Simone and Neville are ready to join Healing and
I
Harmony.
mean, you know what, folks? Sometimes we think about the value that we bring in terms of what we can give to people, but really and truly, your time is the greatest.
That's one of the things that we've considered.
That's what I'm sure that's what you've been finding. Tell me about the
Yeah.
impact you've been having so far based on the testimonials that you're getting.
I tell you, the impact has been so real. And we have these testimonials, and that's what is driving us from the nurses, from the staff, and from the residents. We had a resident actually get up, and apparently he didn't
took the
think we were
mic.
singing well enough. So he started to sing. And I'm telling you, I mean, we're not able to show those videos because, you know,
The privacy policies that these homes have.
Right.
So many of our content you wouldn't see it on our, and we're not permitted to share the faces of the residents.
But we have those testimonials from the nurses. The nurses are dancing with the residents, and when we leave, because you understand that some of these persons on a day-to-day, they are working hard, they feel maybe overworked, underpaid, and they need that
get a boost too.
Yeah, the energy boost, right?
Yeah.
And when we leave, we can imagine that they're even treating the residents much better. So you're uplifting spirits, and that is the motto.
You know, there are many partnerships you guys can form. I'm sitting here thinking of a company called Good Company, which Maddie Mackenzie, do you know her?
Yes, she was on last week, right?
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
she
we
was
saw
here
her.
last week, but she started a company for this very purpose, is to go and spend time with seniors because, you know, having spent time with her grandmother, she realized when her grandfather passed that she was very lonely. So she started scheduling visits, and it became a thing and a gap that she decided to fill. So if you guys all come together with the same purpose.
I think her idea is a wonderful
it's fantastic.
initiative.
It's fantastic, and she's been doing really well in terms of growing it. What are your objectives as you guys move forward with this project? What do you want to see it go?
Well, first thing is that we want to spread across Jamaica. So right now we have just done visits in Portmore, Kingston. We want to go as far as anywhere that you are. St. James, St. Thomas.
Miguel Point.
Right. We also want
Point.
volunteers
Yes.
to be the hub for volunteers. So you're a musician, amateur, professional. You can clap, you can sing. We want you to contact us.
I was going to, well, you can dance, but then left out of the equation.
I don't think it does. I've seen him dance before.
And you think it leaves him in the equation?
I think he's okay.
And we've had persons just come and do, an auntie story.
Yes, storytelling and poetry.
And you see the elderly just looking and feeling great.
Yeah.
And the third thing is that we are also open to helping to channel donations to different facilities, because we're the ones visiting. We know whether they need monetary help. Some of these spaces, as I said, they may be finding it hard to pay the bills, because they have to make the hard decision, Simone. When somebody brings an elderly person there and leaves them, do we kick them out? We can't do that. So
We
they don't.
provide that avenue
So
for
they
them
have
to channel
So
donations.
we thank the folks who are actually providing the service.
Right.
We thank the folks who are staffing these places, because we know it's not
Yes.
easy. It's a challenge.
hard.
Day in, day out, the same
And we thank you guys
faces.
for the work that you're doing from your heart, because this is volunteer work.
Yes.
Yes, it
Payment
is.
is in blessings in heaven. It's gonna be turned right
And
up.
the joy we
And the joy you
feel
feel from
after
doing it.
seeing the expressions of these
Absolutely.
residents.
Changing lives you are. Folks who want to get involved with you, where are you on social? Who want to volunteer, be a part of what you're doing?
Sure. So our social media handle is the same across all TikTok,
Healing in
Instagram,
Harmony.
YouTube. It is Healing in Harmony Project, one word. That's our handle. And we also have a website, which is www.healinginharmonyproject.com.
Okay. One of the folks who hits the road with you is an artist by the name of Aymar, who we're going to hear now. So thank you, Conrad. Thank you, Stacey.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Aymar, over to you, sir.
Blessed love, I'm here giving thanks. Blessed morning.
When you reach that breaking point, when you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. When you reach that breaking point, when you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. Even if it is the darkest part in my life, can't hide my tears cause I'm hurting inside. My brother higher side just lose his life. Take me carry me guitar in when my clothes are fine. The woman of my dream gone for good this time. But that's okay cause I love me time. And I don't love darkness, but rather sunshine. When you reach that breaking point, when you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. reach that breaking point, when you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. There were reason to lose my meds when me lose a tool to earn my honest bread. Like a fallen soldier, them left me for dead. Turn to Jaja instead. Me know them want me upset. Me know them want me to stress. But through the blood, tears and sweat, them fi know by now that me blessed. When you reach that breaking point, when you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. When you reach that breaking point, when you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. There were reason to lose my meds when them stole the tool to earn my honest bread. Like a fallen soldier, them left me for dead. Me turn to Jaja instead. Me know them want me upset. Me know them want me fi vex. But through the blood, tears and sweat, them fi know by now that me blessed. Reach that breaking point. When you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. When you reach that point in life, when you reach that breaking point, try one more. Reach that breaking point. When you reach that point in life, try one more time. One more time. One more time now. Try one more time. To my people out there, to my broken people out there. Yeah, I'm a shepherd representing for TVJ. Hey, big up yourself, Simone.